A special judge has issued a temporary injunction on Indiana's new abortion law, effectively putting that new law on hold 1 week after it took effect across the state. CBS 4 State House reporter Kristen Eskow is live at the State House right now with more on that and where things could potentially go from here. Kristen?
Well, this means Indiana now goes back to allowing abortion up to 20 weeks as it did before it passed the near total abortion ban, and it went into effect last week. That law now no longer in effect, at least as a lawsuit is decided by the court. That lawsuit was filed by the ACLU and abortion providers, arguing a right to privacy violation under the state's constitution. Now, the decision was made by Monroe County Special Judge Kelsey Hanlon following a court hearing with arguments from the ACLU and the state on Monday. Hanlon is an Owen County judge who was appointed to this case after two other judges in Monroe County recused themselves. Now, in her decision, Judge Hanlon says there are several considerations that still need to be worked out regarding this new law. She says the public has an interest in allowing people to make personal decisions, quote, without undue government intrusion, while she adds that the state has an interest in regulating abortion as long as that doesn't come into conflict with the Indiana Constitution. Supporters of abortion rights are celebrating the judge's decision, while those against abortion access say they're disappointed.
There were doctors that were not able to provide their patients with necessary health care and waiting. And now they can get that, and that's incredible.
We also received a statement from Indiana Right to Life, which reads, quote, today's blockage of Indiana's new law means over 161 unborn children will continue to lose their lives to abortion every week this injunction stays in effect. We are encouraged by the judge's acknowledgement of the state's legitimate interest in protecting unborn babies and are hopeful the blockage will be brief. Now, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita sent us a statement earlier saying he does plan to appeal this preliminary injunction. It's unclear right now how long it could take to get a decision on that appeal. But for now, Indiana goes back to allowing abortions up to 20 weeks, and the near total abortion ban is on hold. Now, there is a second lawsuit the ACLU has filed to fight the new law. They allege a religious freedom violation under Indiana law. A court hearing for that lawsuit is set for next month here in Marion County. For now, we're live at the State House this afternoon. Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
Kristen, thanks for that live update on a very busy news day right now.